Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the camera pro mode on the REALME C53. So to open this pro mode you have to go for the more modes and then select pro mode. As you can see right now we can adjust some parameters, so let's start from the left side. And first we can adjust the exposure compensation. We can set it up -3 and a +3. And that's, by the way, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. So then when we go to the shutter speed, as you can see, we can find the manual adjustment right here, but there's also the automatic adjustment. And the same for any other parameter. And here we are with the focus range. So here we can basically adjust the focus range. Next, we can go for the ISO level. In this place, we can find the white balance. And right here, we can also adjust the contrast and the saturation. And on the left upper corner, we can turn on the flashlight. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.